Okay, this morning I'm gonna do something that we like to eat all the time. It's gonna be dry. Let me walk you through. It's gonna be dry lima bean soup with this soup blend in it, and it's gonna have yellow rice and chicken in it. But you have to do it in a couple stages. First of all, we're gonna do the yellow rice. This is just a 5-ounce packet of yellow rice. I have all the ingredients and instructions below. Okay. And you just want to barely cover the rice. I mean, literally barely. I got water here to do it. See if I can lean you down so you can see it. See? You barely want to cover the rice. And I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to seal it up. And we're going to put it on high pressure for 7 minutes. Then when I bring you back, I'll have part 2. Here we go. When I bring you back, make sure your vent is to sealing on your pressure cooker, your Instapot pressure cooker. And when I bring you back, we'll do part 2. Okay? Okay, I am back. It has naturally depressurized and all. I got a bowl and a spoon here. We need to take our yellow rice up. You can use white rice if you prefer. We just like the yellow rice in this. And I want to take my lid off. Now, your rice is going to be dry. Let me put this over here for a second. Excuse me. It's really early in the morning. So your rice is going to be like that, dry. That's great. And the reason you don't cook your yellow rice with your beans is because I've done it like that before, and your yellow rice is just no longer yellow rice. And you don't have to wash that, it's fine. Sorry. Kind of want to get that off, but it'll be alright. Now, my seasonings are going to be this 10-ounce bag of onions, carrots, celery, and bell peppers. We're going to put that in there. It's 1 pound bag of, let me see if I can show you. I think I cut it. Just large dry lima beans. I got Knorr's chicken bouillon. All the instructions will be below. Now here I got 2 teaspoons of Knorr's chicken bouillon, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. All that's going in there. I got a 12-ounce can of just chicken breast. Okay. And just juice and all. And you're more than welcome to use fresh chicken. I got 5 quarts of water, but I'm gonna see how much I need. Let's see. I'm gonna use it to rinse out my can. Okay. So I used all 5 quarts. I just want to stir this up. Make sure everything is incorporated good. And as I said, everything will be below. Now I'm going to get my lid back because I set it over here because it was wet. I want to make sure it's to venting. And I want to high pressure. And I want to cook this at 58 minutes. And then we're going to let it depressurize on its own. Then we'll stir it, add our rice back to it, and then we'll taste it for seasoning. And I'll have everything listed below. Okay, I'll bring you back as soon as this gets through. Okay, I am back and my beans are done. They've naturally released on their own, so the pot is safe to open. And while they were cooking, I cooked they're frozen hush puppies. I thought they would be good with the soup. So we're going to see. Let me set this over here till we do what we got to do. Because that is wet. I want to check these first. Okay. Our rice that we cooked first is going to go in. Set that there. Got me a bowl and a spoon to taste with after we get it the way we want it. See if I can bring you close so you can see how it looks. See if I can bring you on this side. There you go. You just want to break your rice up and stir it. Okay, now I'm going to put you back over here. Sorry for moving you around so much. Let me get me a spoon. The liquid is mainly what you want to taste. It does need a little salt and pepper. But that'll be to your taste at the end. But it tastes very good. I'm going to stir that. Now, to taste mine, I'm going to take a couple of these. I want to crush them up. These hush puppies, because that's what I'm going to eat in mine. When I just crush me up some hush puppies. I want to get some broth, so let me get a ladle. And this is what I'm having for breakfast. I know it may sound funny, but I make this a lot for me and my husband. He loves it, and I do too. He eat off of this a couple of days. He finally finished the meatloaf last night. So, that I cooked the other day. Oh, it smells so very good. There's celery and bell peppers and onions in it. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. And you can use any kind of bean you want to use. We just like the big butter beans. And this will stay hot for 8 hours, so I'm just going to put the lid on it and leave it alone, and I'm going to sit down and eat my breakfast. I'm going to put these on the cake saver because he'll eat these tonight with his. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. Bye.